The Security Plus exam objectives include some terms related to industrial computing environments. Things like ICS, Industrial Control System, also PLC, Programmable Logic Controller. So let's take a look at this scenario in this sample exam question. The scenario begins with, you are the IT security technician for a water treatment facility that uses PLCs to control water pressure and chemical release valves. You need to prevent unauthorized network access to the PLC network. All right, there's the setup. What's the question? The question is, which mitigation will be the most effective in preventing unauthorized remote network access? Okay, I get it. That would be a sensitive network if it's a water treatment plant. So how do we prevent unauthorized remote network access? Well, air gapping is the correct answer. Air gapping means that we have a network, in this example, our PLC network, that is not physically connected to any other network, certainly not the internet, whether through a wired connection or wireless. It's its own separate independent network. Now that doesn't mean it can't be defeated. If you have a user with an infected laptop or USB thumb drives that goes into that network environment and connects to the network or plugs the USB thumb drive into a machine, then it could be infected somehow. Now that's just an infection. It wouldn't allow remote access, but still, it's a problem. So air gapping is the correct answer. Now, while enabling multi-factor authentication or MFA is always smart, that's just going to really harden the internal network environment on that air-gapped PLC network. It doesn't really do anything for remote network access. Network intrusion detection systems are great to detect that something is occurring, but it wouldn't stop unauthorized remote network access in this case, because if we're air-gapped, that's not even going to happen in the first place. IPsec or IP security is wonderful for encrypting network traffic on a local area network. It could also be used across networks. It can also be used for VPN tunneling. It can be used to authenticate network messages, but that doesn't really solve the problem here like air gapping the network would.